back to another one of my videos, and today I'm going to be reviewing slime Marshmallow, well known on Instagram, recommended to me by Pop-Tart Slime, so thank you for that. And this slime really caught my eye. It was just incredible to look at. Really clear glue base, and this package, here's the slime I ordered. I'll tell you what it's called in a minute. And another slime, that must be an extra, some candy and a lollipop. Thank you, very nice. So I think there's something else in here at the bottom. A slime information sheet, some borax. It's very nicely put together, well packaged, nothing broke, nothing leaked. Came in a box and bubble wrap, so it's pretty much a safe bet that nothing's going to break. So she's put this together very carefully. It comes with some cute little silver stars, and I think I'll add that to one of these slimes. And I'm just going to have a quick look at what's inside, some information, her Instagram, and slime care details basically, so that's very helpful. I'll put that to one side. So there wasn't a printout receipt, but this is a Daydream Bear, this is what it's called, and I think it will probably say on the base of the slime as well. Oh wow, just look at that, it's so clear. I'm going to move everything out the way so you can see properly. It's really clear, it's got holographic glitter in it, it's got a little gummy bear at the bottom, and there it is, Daydream Bear, the information on the bottom, a sticker on the top, and these clay balls on the top, which are multicoloured and look really pretty. So kind of loath almost, I'll zoom in for you, loath to mix it because it's just so nice to look at as it is, like a lava lamp, or it's a bit like when you get one of these really ornate candles and you just don't want to burn them. This slime, you just don't really want to mix it, it looks so good. So I thought I'd make the most of having a nice look at that before I go ahead and mix. So the clay balls have stuck to the lid. It is really hot at the moment, so you know, it doesn't matter. And the colours are really nice. We've got pink, purple, white and yellow in there. And I think this is going to mix so nicely. So let's dive in. Oh wow, I can see my fingernail. It's like Han Solo getting frozen. Wow, so now we've got this kind of avalanche effect, it's super pretty. I just love this, it's so nicely done. And here's the clear slime, and it is super clear. So I think she uses Elmer's clear glue, because I think that pretty much is the unbeatable clear glue for clear slime. And there's a little gummy bear, really cute. Just zoom in and show you. Yeah, it's really sweet. So again, here's the clear glue with little holographic bits in it, and everything's just going to marble so nicely together. Let's get this little fellow out the way for now. Wow, really nice colours. Really good quality slime, so very pleased with this so far. kind of don't want to mix it, so I'm just going to do this as slowly as I can. And just look at those colours just swirling around together, they look so good. Okay, so now on to this next slime, which is a bit of a surprise. I'm not sure what it is. It's not something I ordered, so it's a bonus. There, berry latte free slime, thank you. That's really cute. And I love your stickers, by the way. So this is a really nice consistency, lovely colours, with white and rosy pink marbling, and it smells like berries. So this is a real bonus, thank you so much for including this as an extra, it was most unexpected. It's got a nice clay feel to it as well, so nice swirls. So I'm going to sprinkle on this little packet of silver stars because I think this slime deserves it, and that looks really pretty. So thank you again, and just look at that, it's really effective, very nice indeed. So here we have everything that was included in this lovely package. So that's it for this video, thanks again for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!